Hello, my name is Zelle and welcome back to my travel diary. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope that you will find this video informative or helpful to your future travel. I've been living in Japan since 2018 and traveled to different prefectures. Miyazaki Prefecture is the 20th prefecture that I have been to. The tall palm trees and the violet bougainvilleas caught my attention when we went out of Miyazaki Airport to catch the train to Miyazaki City. To my surprise, it only takes less than 50 minutes to get to Miyazaki Station from Miyazaki Airport Station via train.
Wow, so this is the train station at Miyazaki Airport. You don't need to take taxi to the city from Miyazaki Airport. Look at this train.
JR 九州をご利用くださいましてありがとうございます。この列車はヤンマン宮崎行きです。車内の安全確保のため危険物の持ち込みは禁止されています。駅や車内で不審なに
Our accommodation is a 14-minute walk from Miyazaki Station, so we decided to go there on foot.
It's somewhere here. Okay. We are on our way to our hotel. It's Hotel Jal City.
It was still too early to check in, so we just needed to drop our baggage to our accommodation. Then we went to the motorbike shop to rent a motorbike for a few days during our stay in Miyazaki. So the first place that we wanted to visit is Aoshima Island to see the Devil's Washboard. But before that, we were so hungry, so we needed some food. So we decided to go to this restaurant by the beach. After having lunch by the beach, it's now time to go to the island.
This is called the Devil's Washboard. They said this is 7 million years old. So that's Aoshima Island. And Aoshima Beach Park is there, where we had lunch. They said this is slippery, so you have to be careful. You have to look at the stones because some of the stones have like the devil's face. So some stones have faces, the devil's face. Yeah, it's like a little, yeah, it looks scary. Yeah, scary face. Like with eyes and mouth and nose. What's in here? Oh. Ah, this is the same as what I got. Do you remember in Kawagoe? The fish. 300 yen.
金の芽が出たあなたは老害繁盛開運消費の兆しがあるんです。勤勉に勤めることが寛容。
I feel like I'm tall.
Inside the stones.
Ah, okay, so you should throw the plate there inside the stone. Even if it breaks, it's okay. Oh, okay. So you have to buy shells, a shell or a plate from here. It's 200 yen. And then you have to throw it over there. Make sure that it's shoot there. What will happen if you shoot it?
You will have a good luck.
Oh, you will have a good luck. If not,
Nothing.
nothing will happen. Okay. Ah, it's so sunny. Sunny, but it's windy. The temperature is 17 degrees Celsius, and right now it's almost 3 in the afternoon. This is Miyakoh Botanical Garden, Aoshima. It says here it's pineapple. It's not dragon fruit. Then why it's red? Shower. Ui. すいません。Before leaving this place, I want to go here to find something to buy. Let me in. Ooh. Yay! I got something for ourselves. Some snacks. We left my old phone here in the bike. So we were away for like more than an hour, like 2 hours. So we were hoping that it will still be here when we when we come back. It's still here. Look, there's no one here. According to Google Map, this is like the end of the island. And I'm wondering what that is. Those two, I don't know. Any idea? already closed.
Mm.
They close at 5.
Yeah.
Miyazaki Jingu was already closed when we got there, so please make sure that you arrive before 5.
Ooh. Our bags are already here. They delivered it here. Good. And we have twin beds. Wow, it smells good. Let's see the view. We are on the 6th floor. So this is our view with pine trees. Here's the bathtub, toothbrush, razor, towels.
That sums up our first day in Miyazaki City. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my travel diary. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!